Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. We are installing a harmonic damper in our Dodge Cummins, and this is the bolt kit we needed. This is from Automotive Racing Products. And this company is very well known for their super high quality fasteners, and these are no different. So harmonic balancer or damper bolts are single use. They must be replaced when you're replacing the damper. So we were really happy to get this nice quality set when we replaced ours. So since the balancer is absorbing lots of energy and vibration, these bolts really have to be strong to keep it in position. So it comes with the 4 bolts and the washers as well, and they just have a really solid and heavy duty feel to them, which you can really tell that these are going to be perfect for what we needed them to do. So it is a little tricky getting them in just because of the position of the parts, but they really are strong and they're super sturdy. Once we got them in, they feel like they are definitely not going anywhere and they are completely locked in place. So this was perfect for our project and exactly what we needed. So we are really happy with this kit and the way that it went in, and that is my point of view.